Are you a business owner? Do you require your accountant to submit the monthly bank reconciliation? What is the challenge in doing bank reconciliation? Did you ever wish that you can do bank reconciliation with minimal effort? With Ezyrecon, to reconcile, all you need to do is to download the book and bank files in an Excel file format. Then, you hit one button called Super Easy to activate the virtual accountant. You wait for 3 minutes for Ezyrecon to produce the report. The result of the reconciliation is a 2-column report from unadjusted to reconciled book and bank balances. The reconciliation involving credit card receipts is a breeze for us. Please contact us at Conrad@Ezyrecon for a free demo or consultation with no obligation to buy. You can also call us at 323-507-3947. The cost of the software is only $599 per annum. Please visit us at www.ezyrecon.com.